Alright, quick data first rundown on Chevron for investors. As of March 27, 2026, CVX closed at $201.15, up $3.36, about 1.62% on the day. Year-to-date performance, plus 38.54%. 52-week high, $212.46 on March 27th. All-time closing high, $207.79 on March 26th. Big momentum. Source, Yahoo Finance. Now dividends, because cash flow matters. Annual dividend $7.12, yield around 3.37%, paid every 3 months. Last ex-dividend date, February 17, 2026, $1.78 per share. Prior payment was $1.71 on December 10, 2025. Dividend aristocrat, 38 consecutive years of increases. Source, stock analysis. Chevron announced an organic capital budget of $18 to $19 billion for 2026, focused on highest return opportunities with discipline and efficiency. More than half, about $10.5 billion, is in the United States. Nearly $6 billion targets shale and tight oil. Permian, DJ Basin, Bakken. Source, Chevron. The plan supports U.S. production capacity above 2 million barrels of oil equivalent per day. Production was up nearly 20% last year. In the Permian, about 1 million barrels of oil equivalent per day. 2026 U.S. spend of roughly $10.5 billion supports jobs and infrastructure. Colorado operations produce approximately 400,000 BOE per day. Source, Chevron. On January 16, 2026, Chevron took final investment decision to expand Leviathan offshore Israel. The project includes drilling 3 additional offshore wells, plus upgrades to treatment facilities. Target gas delivery increases to approximately 21 billion cubic meters annually. Israel, Egypt, Jordan. A commitment to provide essential energy to the region. Source, Chevron. About $1 billion is directed toward lowering carbon intensity and new energy. With Iwatani, Chevron plans 30 hydrogen fueling sites in California by 2026. Bayou Bend carbon capture and storage covers roughly 140,000 acres, advancing carbon capture infrastructure on the Gulf Coast. Source, World Oil. Sources, Chevron and partners. Stock up about 38% year-to-date, testing fresh highs. Dividend above 3% with 38 years of increases. Disciplined $18 to $19 billion capex, focused on high-return barrels and molecules. Growth projects like Leviathan are advancing. A $1 billion push into hydrogen and carbon capture. Let's tie it together. Can the Permian sustain efficiency while controlling costs? Leviathan well spuds. Leviathan facility upgrades. Leviathan delivery ramp timing. Dividend cadence after the February X date. Hydrogen site rollouts in California. Progress at Bayou Bend. Short and simple. Price strength, income consistency, and a pipeline of projects. Reminder, this is information, not advice. Do your own research and understand your risk. Set alerts for earnings, capex updates, and guidance shifts. If this helped, tap like and tell me the next ticker. Thanks for watching.